Hello students, welcome to this module on refrigeration and air conditioning. In this session, we are going to learn about pumping down the gas for necessary servicing and repairing. Pumping down refers to the process of removing refrigerant from a refrigeration or air conditioning system and storage in the receiver. Because low side and high pressure side, anything parts, change or replaced valves in off condition. Refrigerant gas saves in receiver safely and commercial refrigeration system transfer in one place to another place of location. Refrigerant gas is saved in receiver is must. One of the reasons is pumping down purpose. And another reason is pumping down the gas in receiver because one or more plants in same place, one plant is running, another is off condition. Now pump down is must. Because gas is flow in pipelines, anything damage, accident in pipelines to safely pump down process is must in this condition. This is often done for necessary servicing and repairing of commercial reciprocating compressors. The primary purpose of pumping down the gas is to solate the compressor and other components of the system so that maintenance or repairs can be safely performed.
Objectives. The primary objective of pumping down is to isolate the commercial reciprocating compressor from refrigeration system, ensuring a safe working environment for maintenance and repairs. Pumping down reduces system pressure, minimizing the risk of refrigerant release during servicing, contributing to both environmental conservation and technician safety. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to identify the compressor and its connections, check the functioning of compressor before pumping down, start the process for pumping down the compressor, start the process for pumping down the system. In the process of pumping down a commercial reciprocating compressor for servicing and repairs, specific tools, equipments and consumables play a crucial role. This includes recovery machines, service valves, pressure gauges and refrigerant recovery cylinders. Let us now look at the list of tools, equipments and consumables. Double end spanner set 8 to 22 mm, screwdriver 150 to 300 mm, spirit level 200 mm, adjustable spanner 300 mm, valve key, double end spanner set, compound gauge, pressure gauge attached to the operating panel. Commercial open-time compressor system, pipe wrench set. Now let us see the preparations needed for pumping down the gas for necessary servicing and repairing. Pumping down a chiller is a crucial procedure in HVAC maintenance. It involves removing refrigerant from the system to facilitate repairs, servicing or system shutdown. By isolating and condensing the refrigerant into system's compressors, pressure within the system is reduced, allowing for safe and efficient maintenance tasks. Pumping down helps prevent refrigerant leaks and ensure the safety of technician working on the system. Proper execution of this process is essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of the chiller system. Important points to be remembered before pumping down the gas for necessary servicing and repairing. Wear appropriate PPE including safety glasses, gloves and steel-toed boots to protect against potential hazards. Keep a well-equipped first aid kit nearby in case of minor injuries. Ensure that personnel know the location of the first aid kit and how to use it. Before starting the pumping down process, release pressure from this system gradually to avoid sudden releases that could pose safety risks. Familiarize yourself with emergency shutdown procedure and know the location of emergency shut-off switches in case of unexpected issues. Use only approved tools and equipment for the pumping down process. Ensure they are in good condition and properly calibrated. Before initiating the pumping down process, inspect the system of any leaks. Address and repair any leaks to prevent the release of refrigerants into atmosphere. Adhere the manufacturer's guidelines and recommendations for pumping down the specific type of reciprocating compressor being used. Pump down the compressor. Ensure the plant is idle if it is running with the instruction of instructor. This allows technician to work on the system without the risk of injury or equipment damage. Additionally, idling the plant helps prevent any unintended operation or malfunctions that could occur during the maintenance process. It also ensures that the compressor is in a stable condition before beginning the pumping down procedure. Finally, idling the plant allows for proper preparation and coordination of the maintenance task ahead. Procedure for pumping down the compressor. Put down the system, close the suction isolating valve, bypass the electrical connection at low pressure, start the switch, start the compressor drive motor. Watch and wait till the suction pressure drops to 0.5 kg per square centimeter. Stop the compressor drive motor. Immediately close the delivery valve. Open the suction gauge port and vent the least gas pressure for the compressor. Pump down the system. This process reduces pressure within the system by condensing refrigerant into the compressor. By isolating the refrigerant, technicians can work safely on various components without the risk of leaks. Pumping down ensures the system's integrity and facilitates efficient maintenance procedures, contributing to its overall reliability and longevity. Process for pumping down the system. Put off the system if it is running. Bypass the electrical connection at low pressure cutout switch. Close the liquid line shut-off valve. Start the compressor and watch the suction valve gauge pressure drops till 0.5 kg per square centimeter. Stop the compressor and close the discharge valve, transferring refrigerant to the receiver.
Pumping down a commercial reciprocating compressor is a vital safety measure during servicing and repairs. The process involves isolating the compressor, reducing system pressure, and recovering refrigerant for environmental responsibility. This systematic approach ensures both technician safety and the integrity of the refrigeration system. In this topic, we came to know about how to identify the compressor and its connections. Check the functioning of compressor before pumping down. Start the process for pumping down the compressor. Start the process for pumping down the system. I hope you all understood the process of pumping down the gas for necessary servicing and repairing. Thank you, students, and let's meet in the next session. Bye-bye.